Choosing the best PSU build might be the last thing on your mind, but you might want to put a lot more effort into it. A good PC power supply unit doesn't just supply power to your PC components, but it also gets the most out of them and protects them from failures. So, in today's video, we'll help you find the best power supply for your next desktop PC. Corsair's AX1000 is one of the best 1kW power supplies available. The AX1000 may be among the priciest on this best PC power supply list, but it's well worth the money for your next build thanks to its performance and quiet operation with noise reduced to 20 to 25 decibels. It boasts a solid load regulation, super high efficiency levels, and excellent benchmark results. An ace for ADX's specification requirements. The cooling system has a 135mm fluid dynamic bearing fan and its efficiency is rated 80 plus titanium. The PSU is fully modular as well, with 8 PCIe and 2 EPS connected to boot. The 16x SATA connectors allow for a ton of drives, and the 8 4-pin Molex connectors easily cover all peripheral components like water cooling pumps, fans, etc. This beastly PSU's tight load regulation on all of its rails, amazing ripple suppression, and crazy high efficiency levels earn a place on our list. It is tough to upgrade something that's already quite good, but Corsair managed to do so with the RM850x power supply. Improving the efficiency at light loads, adding one more EPS connector and using a top-notch magnetic levitation fan, the new Corsair RM850x achieves higher overall performance than its predecessor, thanks to its amazing ripple suppression, tighter load regulation, and higher efficiency, especially at light loads. The two powerful bridge rectifiers are more than enough to handle the max power that this platform can deliver. 6 FETs regulate the 12-volt rail and the minor rails are generated through a pair of DC to DC converters. The hold-up time is also longer, while inrush currents remain at the same low levels. The max DC output can reach up to 850 watts and efficiency is rated 80 plus gold. The magnetic levitation fan is among the notable changes in the new RMX's units, which is 140mm in length, although it isn't as quiet as the rifle bearing fan that the older RMX's unit used. Despite the increased overall noise output, which is 25 to 30 decibels, we still prefer the new ML fans because it is super reliable even under high operating temperatures. So you should definitely give this a look because of its high overall performance and long hold-up time. The XPG Core Reactor with 650 watt max power can achieve higher overall performance than the two hottest picks in this category. Despite its small size, it operates quietly at 20 to 25 decibels, thanks to the relaxed 120mm fluid dynamic bearing fan. The build quality is excellent and the warranty offered is comparable to that of the competition. The APFC converter uses 2 Infineon FETs and a single CREE boost diode. Finally, the 2 EPS connectors provide compatibility with the high-end mainboard. The plus 12-volt rail is regulated by 4 international rectifiers FETs, which are installed on vertical daughter board that is close to the main transformer. This way, energy losses are minimized and the efficiency gets a boost. Another significant advantage of this PSU is the compact footprint, which will make the installation process more manageable. The fully modular cables will also help in this too. Overall, with high performance and silent operation and efficiency rating of 80 plus gold, this can be a worthwhile investment for your next PC setup. Being the smallest member of the new RMX lineup, the RM550x is one of the quietest PSUs in the 550W category. It features a top-notch magnetic levitation fan, measuring 135mm in length, which doesn't affect the overall noise output, which is really quiet from 15 to 20 decibels. As the name suggests, its maximum power is 550 watts while being fully modular. In addition to its 80 plus gold rated efficiency, the RM550x along with the rest of the RMX family members can deliver its full power continuously at up to 50 degrees Celsius ambient. This PSU features only one plus 12V rail. Corsair adds S6 and S7 slip state compatibility, introduced with Intel's Haswell architecture along with all of its protection features we look for. The fan uses a rifle bearing that should last quite a while, matching the lifetime of ball bearing fans. It's helped along by the power supply semi-passive feature. To sum up, Being highly efficient at light load and high performance, it is a must-buy for those looking for a PSU for low wattage devices. The new RM750x has a significant performance lead over its predecessor, although it loses average noise output to the older model's dead silent operation. Still, you cannot call the new model noisy because it achieves a cybernetics A rating, with its average noise output being close to 25 to 30 dBA. Finally, the magnetic levitation fan upgrade is a highly welcome feature. It misses 135mm and boosts reliability even under harsh conditions where most rifle and fluid dynamic bearings fans would have issues in the long run. The bridge rectifiers are powerful and are installed in a dedicated heatsink, so they won't get too hot even under high loads and increased operating temperatures. 6 FETs regulate the 12-volt rail while a pair of DC to DC converters generate the minor rails. With 2 EPS and 4 PCIe connectors and 2 cables, this PSU will be able to handle a powerful gaming system with enough ooze to cope with the GeForce RTX 3080. For all these features and advantages, including a 80+ gold efficiency rating, the Corsair RM750x makes to the top of our list. Thank you for watching the video. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell icon for instant notifications so that you never miss a video from Tech Inside.